Today, we will listen to a simple English story. The story is called A Day at the Supermarket. Let's begin. Morning. Mom says, we need food. We need vegetables. We need milk. The little boy says, Mom, can I come with you? Mom smiles and says, yes, let's go together. Outside the house, Mom and the boy walk to the supermarket. The weather is nice. The boy says, Mom, I like going with you. Mom says, I like it too. Entering the supermarket, they take a shopping cart. The boy pushes the cart slowly. Mom says, be careful. The boy says, okay. Vegetables section. Mom picks tomatoes. She says, these tomatoes look fresh. The boy picks one tomato and says, is this good? Mom laughs, yes, but gently. Don't squeeze. Fruits section. The boy sees apples. He says, Mom, I want apples. Mom says, good choice. Apples are healthy. They put apples in the cart. Milk section. Mom says, where is the milk? The boy looks around. He walks a little forward, then a little more. Suddenly, he cannot see Mom. The boy gets worried. The boy says softly, Mom, where are you? He looks left. He looks right. He feels scared, asking for help. A worker in the store sees him. The worker says, are you okay? The boy says, I am lost. I can't find my mom. The worker smiles, don't worry. We will find her. Reuniting with Mom, Mom runs toward them. She says, oh, there you are. The boy hugs his mom tightly. Mom says, don't walk away alone. The boy says, I'm sorry. Finishing shopping, Mom and the boy buy milk, bread, rice, and snacks. The boy says, I will stay with you now. Mom says, good, let's finish quickly. At the counter, the cashier says, did you find everything? Mom says, yes, thank you. The boy helps put items on the counter. Mom says, you are a good helper. Going home, they carry bags and walk home. The boy says, I learned something today. Mom asks, what did you learn? The boy says, stay close to Mom in the supermarket. Mom smiles, very good. Narrator. This was our story, A Day at the Supermarket. Thank you for listening. See you in the next story.